All right, this is going to be a very short video because we've already gone over the year overview in 2 other videos. If you take a look at the chart of accounts video and the monthly tab videos, you can see a little bit about how this particular tab is affected by what we fill out in other tabs. But in case you are jumping to this originally right off the bat, let's just go quick overview. We've got our monthly income and expenses showing in a chart over here. In this example, I've got a little bit in January, a little bit in November, and a little bit in December, just to show that this graph will show up and adjust based on the expenses and the income that you have from month to month. Down here, we've got income, expenses, and the profit margin for each month. If you have a month where your profit is negative, it will show up in red. So you'll be able to see real quick at a glance which months you were profitable, which months you were not. And then I love this part right here. The at a glance profit and loss, you've got a year to date option. So you can see everything running for the whole year, everything all added up. You've got a quarter to date, so you can check your quarterly income and expenses and your profit margins for that. Now keep in mind that the quarter to date is based off of the calendar year quarters. So if you're using a fiscal year, if you're using the fiscal year that starts in, I think, October or September, then this will not work for you. But your quarter to date, you got that right here, and then you've got your month to date, so you can just see month to month where you're at. It does also show down here, so you probably won't use the month to date as often, but the option is here in case you want to see it real quick and don't want to hunt it down in this area.